my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see how to make this jewelry box out of cardboard. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time. I have very thick cardboard pieces. If you don't have, you can always attach two cardboard pieces together to get this thickness. I have mentioned the sizes on the screen. You can also make your own size jewelry box. Now I'm going to hot glue them to make the base of the box. And I'm going to paper tape the edges. I'll complete all the edges. Now I'll make the cover of the box. Again, the measurements are given, but you can have your own measurements too. I'll glue all the cardboard pieces same way as I did the base box. And cover the edges with paper tape. Now I've got two hinges which I will mark on the base box first. I'll make the markings and then I'm going to cut through the cardboard pieces with an X-Acto knife. And then hot glue the hinges inside that. I'm not going to attach the screws with it. I'm just going to hot glue them. Now I will mark the hinges and make the incisions also in the cover, but I'm not going to attach the hinges now to the cover. Now I'll cover the boxes with tissue paper or napkins. I used Mod Podge and water to glue it on the cardboard. After covering both the boxes, I will let it dry for a day, and now I'll make the latch. I've taken a small wire and I'll put the small bronze beads inside it and tie the two ends. With another wire, I'll put a wooden bead. Now at the center, I'll make a hole. And put my wooden bead inside that and paper tape from inside. On the cover also I'll mark the center and make a hole and insert that small beads rope that I made, and same way I will cover it with paper tape from inside. Now I'm going to attach the hinges to the cover also, and attach the two boxes. Now I made some designs with clay, and I'll attach that on the top of the box. I'm just making some random designs on the clay to give a little texture on the designs. I've glued everything, all the clay designs on it. After drying, I'll just color everything black, the whole box. After the color is dried, I will paint it with a glitter blue color, acrylic color. Though it's blue now, but after drying it becomes little greenish and glittery. And now I will highlight the clay designs by brushing some gold metallic acrylic with my fingers. So after drying it looks like this. Now the inside it's still not done, so I will attach some felt, red color felt, which I have cut in the size of the box. And I'll just hot glue all of them. same way I'll cut the top also. So this is how it looks now. So the hinges also needs to be covered. I thought it will look nice, so I cut out two rectangular pieces of felt and I attached that with glue. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you've liked it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.